Hello everyone. Now today we're going to the music box show. Yay! So today we're going to go to the Ferris wheel. Yeah, to the fun Ferris wheel. Oh my God! I don't mean the Ferris wheel. I'm gonna go to the Ferris wheel. I want to jump off. You can't tell me what to do. I'm going now. I'm going now! You're the Ferris wheel. What do I do? You don't come with me. Don't come with me. I'm eating the lollipop, so that's why you can't understand me. My head is baby. You can tell my head is baby. I wanna jump up now. I wanna jump up now. Yeah. I'm gonna jump up now. I'm gonna put your bucket in your face. You put your bucket in your face. There you go. Look at face. Why should I not jump off? You cannot jump over what you do. Okay, I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna go to the hot air balloon. Okay. I'm gonna go now. Bye. Bye, miss. You kiss. Wow, this hot air balloon is so funny. I mean, big. As a big fat boy. Go to your hot air balloon. Yeah, boy. Let me see you. Go to see you. I'm a tower. We're going up, yup. You come over here. Yeah. We can't go up. Oh my God, what is that? What is that? Is that like a mushroom egg? Is that like a mushroom egg? Oh my God, what? I don't want to jump off. Can you show your hi for me? Hi! Am I going to jump up now? Tell me if I'm going to jump up now. Yeah. Oh yeah! I'm gonna grab you. I'm gonna get you a cupcake. You're ready? No! Do not go with me. Please, do not leave me. Do not leave me. You cannot leave without the queen. Without the queen cupcake. Oh my God. Is that a mushroom? Is a mushroom? Ah! Here goes the mushroom. Bye, strawberry. I made cupcake. Let's go. Man, you're so good! Man, you're so good! Okay, yo. Oh my god, there's a lot of the light on the table!